Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate feedback collection with SurveyMonkey. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To automate feedback collection with SurveyMonkey, begin by logging into your SurveyMonkey account. Once logged in, click on Create Survey to start a new survey project. Choose a template or opt for a blank survey to customize it according to your needs. Add your questions to the survey using various formats like multiple choice, rating scales, or open-ended responses. Make sure to design questions that will generate clear and actionable feedback. After adding questions, navigate to the Collect Responses tab. Select the collection method that best suits your audience, such as email, web link, or social media. For automation, choose the email collection method. Set up an email campaign by entering the recipient list, which can be imported from a CSV file or integrated with your contacts. Customize the email subject line and message to encourage participation. Next, configure the survey settings to ensure responses remain anonymous if desired. Enable options for email reminders or recurring sends to keep the feedback collection continuous. After setting the automation preferences, review your settings to confirm everything is correct. Then, click on Send to launch your automated feedback collection. Monitor responses in real time through the SurveyMonkey dashboard. Use the analytics tools provided to analyze feedback trends and insights effectively. Periodically check your feedback collection process to ensure it aligns with your goals. Make adjustments to your survey or email settings based on the response rates and feedback quality. This process will allow you to streamline feedback collection efficiently and effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.